Dog, I missed him. He was right there. Let's see. There he is. That's what it started out. Calm down. Weigh yourself out, boy. Yeah, there's my big one for today. Tear the boat up, boy. Wow. Alright, I'll take that for a start. Tear my tackle up. And he engulfed it. I know. Yeah. You big boy. There it is. All right. See what that's gonna go. 12 pounds. It's a 12-pound red. Got my big one right off the bat. That'll work. And needless to say, he's over 27. There's 0. And there's 27. He's 28, 29 inches. 12-pounder. Let's start out with that and get the big one out of the way. Let's go have some fun with them now. Where'd they go? Looks like I see some way out there. I'm going for them. Oh, there it goes. He hooked it that time. Oh, he got off. Dadgum you. Right there. Come on. There you go. There you go. All right, get your head up. Come on. There you go, big boy. Yeah, that's another big one. I'm gonna have to let him back. Hey. Watch out, boy. Yeah, another 12-pounder. Got to be. The shad. Let's see what he's gonna do. Another 12-pounder. All right, big boy. Thanks for the fun. Get back in there. Get out of here. There you go. We'll see where your buddies went. There he is. There he is right there, baby. And I think it's a keeper too. I don't think that's a 12-pounder. If I can get him to the boat, that's a perfect size. He's not big at all. All right. Let's see if I can get him in the boat. Come here, little buddy. You know you want to come in here. You tired of messing around out there? Come here. Shoot, he's getting bigger now. I think he's gonna be too big. Too big. Maybe not. Let's see. I'm gonna measure him, but he's getting big. Yeah, he spit it right there. That's where you want to spit it. Hey, you don't want to knock. He might make it. He's fat. Let's see what we got here. I believe you're gonna be close, but I have a feeling you're over. About 27.5. Let's see. I'll tell you, you weigh about 10 pounds. Oh, he's about 10. He's gonna be too big. Let's see. 0. Oh yeah, he's 28.5. 28.5. Okay, buddy boy. That was fun though. Let's go see about your buddies. You weren't the only one. I'm gonna retie that knot just to be safe. I've had 3 good reds on it, and it got hung up in oysters once. It feels smooth, but I'm retiring. Yeah, got a fresh knot on that sucker. You know, you're not real pretty, but the fish like you, so I think you're beautiful. Look at that red right there. You looked at it, and that was it. That was a big red too. They got some reds in here. I need to fish something else. Fish this thing. Gotta fish that spoon. See all them little bait fish? Them reds are rolling through here with their mouth open, busting them. Those little fish right there. Yeah, the wind's starting to blow a little bit, putting some chop on the water. You can't see those fish, so let's see if the shrimp can find them. Well, a blind hog found an acorn. I know this one ain't over 27. Not in here. He's a good one though. I'll take him if I can get him in there. If he don't get around that pole. Come here, partner. Yeah. Now that's a good one there. These are beautiful. That's 25 and a half, 25-inch fish at the mother-in-law hole. Go ahead. All right, little buddy. You're about 6 pounds, I bet. Let's see. Yep, 6 pounds. Let's see. And I bet you 25 and a half. There's 0. Oh, you're 25 and almost a half. Okay. Go visit your grandpa. Let's get them other 3 and get out of here. Next, at the mother-in-law hole. I had another one and I lost it. That's the way it goes. Make a move. This is my last stop. That wind come up and muddied the water and ended the sight fishing. So that's the end of that. In the mud, baby, in the mud. Let's try that again. Get some waves going here.